limits topic. First problem, limit x tends to 1, root of x minus 1 multiplied 2x minus 3 by 2x square plus x minus 3. Here 2x square plus x minus 3 is the quadratic expression. Here x to the power of 2, it is the quadratic expression. So it is having two factors. We find the two factors. Here one factor. Any cancellation is there, we check that. Two x square plus x minus 3. 3 into minus 3 into 2 minus 6. So here written as 2x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 3. Here x common, 2x plus 3 minus, here 1 common, 2x plus 3. Here 2x plus 3 in this above step common, again x minus 1 coming. This is the factors. From this, here above problem is written as root x minus 1 multiply 2x minus 3 division. This denominator in terms of two factors, 2x plus 3 into x minus 1. After this, here x minus 1 is also written as root x minus 1 into root x plus 1. Root x minus 1 is 2x minus 3 division 2x plus 3 into this x minus 1 written as root x minus 1 root x plus 1. You check, this is a plus b, this is the a minus b, a square minus b square, this is the x minus 1 coming. So root x minus 1, root x minus 1 gets cancelled. Limit x tends to here 1. Here also limit x tends to 1. Substitute directly here 2 into 1 2 minus 3 division. Here 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into here 1 plus 1 2. So it is equal to minus 1 by, this is 5 into 2 10 minus 1 by 10. So minus 1 by 10 second option second. This is the right answer. Here limit x tends to infinity. Bracket of root of x plus root x minus root x. Here root 2, here root 2, here root 2. So this is the limit applied by the rationalization. Because of root is there, x plus root x under root minus root x. This is the problem. So multiply by the root of x plus root x, again root x plus root x. This is the multiplication, root x under root plus root x. This is the rationalization factor. So this is a minus b into, this is a plus b. A square minus b square. So here root cancel. X plus root x, here root cancel. Division this term, x plus root x under root plus root x remaining. Limit x tends to infinity. Here also limit x tends to infinity. Here x gets cancelled, remaining root x division x plus root x under root plus root x. Limit x tends to infinity, same. Here root x, here root x. In this also root x having. So both the denominator and numerator divide by root x. Numerator and denominator divide by root x. So root x by root x 1. Here root of x by x 1 plus root x by again root x. So here 1 by root x coming. Root of in this here by x coming, root x by x root x again, plus this is 1, whereas limit x tends to infinity. So extends to infinity means here infinity, 1 by infinity it is 0. So remaining 1 by, this is 0, 1 only, root of 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 by 2 the answer, third option. This is answer. Here limit n tends to infinity, a to the power of n plus b to the power n by a power of n minus b power of n. So here n tends to infinity. So here n tends to infinity, infinity. This also infinity. So this is arranged as limit n tends to infinity. Here taken a power n common in this. 1 plus b by a to the power n. Denominator also a power n common, 1 minus b by a power n. Again we multiply a power of n into 1, a power of n. A power of n into this b power of n by a power of n. A power of n cancelled. Same b power of n. Similar to that denominator also. Here a power of n gets cancelled. Here one condition given, a greater than b and greater than 1. So here according to condition, a greater than b. So a by b is greater than 1. If we reciprocating this, b by a less than 1. That is the condition, inequality conditions. So b by a less than 1. So this is less than 1 and power to the infinity. So it is going to reach to 0. Therefore b by a tends to 0. So 1 plus 0 by 1 minus 0, it is equal to 1 answer. Second option, option 2. Whereas in this case, n tends to infinity, here 4 power 1 by n. So 1 by infinity 0, 4 power of 0, 1. Here also, this is also 1 coming. So instead of n, we written as limit n tends to infinity, then 1 by n tends to 0. After that, 4 power 1 by n minus 1 by 3 power 1 by n minus 1. 1 by n tends to 0. So here 1 by n is the like as y tends to 0, whereas y is equal to 1 by n put. So here 4 power of y minus 1 by 3 power of y minus 1. So it is converted to formula. If in the denominator y is there, 4 power of y minus 1 by y. In the denominator also 3 power of y minus 1 by y. This y gets cancelled. Same this term here, numerator and denominator. So limit here y tends to 0. According to a power of x minus 1 by x, limit x tends to 0. It is the log a formula. By using this formula, this is log 4 and the denominator log 3. It is also written as here base e, here base e. It is also written as log 4 base 3. Log 4 base 3, third option. This option is the right answer. Here 3 power of x minus 2 power of x by 4 power of x minus 3 power of x. All in terms of a power of x. We convert to this formula, a power of x minus 1 by x, limit x tends to 0 is equal to log a. We convert to this formula, all terms. Here 3 power of x minus 1 and here 2 power of x minus 1. Minus 1 minus of minus 1. This 1 gets cancelled. Same numerator. And denominator also, here also put minus 1 minus 3 power of x minus 1. Here also minus 1 cancel. After this, limit extends to 0. Denominator x needed. So divide with each term by x. Divide by x on both numerator and denominator. 3 power of x minus 1 by x minus 2 power x minus 1 by x, and denominator also 4 power of x minus 1 by x minus, here also 3 power of x minus 1 by x. So here x LCM, here also x LCM, both are gets cancelled. For all terms we apply the limit extends to 0. This is limit extends to 0. Here also limit extends to 0. That's why this is the log a. Instead of a, 3 is there. Log of 3 minus, here instead of a, 2 is there. Division, here 4. Log 4 minus here log 3. So it is log m minus log n. It is also log m minus log n. So log m by n, 3 by 2. Here log 4 by 3. So in the options not given, this option is not there, 1, 2, 3, 4, but that's why fourth is the option. None of these, no answer is there. Fourth option. Here limit extends to 0. Here 1 plus x square minus e power of x by x square. So if we apply extends to 0, here 0, 0, e power of 0, 1. This is 1. Here 1 minus 1, 0. This is also 0. So it is in indeterminate form, 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. By using L'Hospital rule. 1 derivative 0 plus x derivative 1, x square is the 2x minus e power of x is the e power of x differentiation by x square derivative 2x, whereas limit extends to 0. After this again put 0. Here 1, this is 0, this is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Again 0 here, 0 by 0 form again differentiate, 0 by 0 form by using L'Hospital rule. So 1 derivative 0, 2x derivative 2 minus e power of x derivative e power of x, 2x derivative 2, whereas limit extends to 0. Now extends to 0, e power of 0 1, it is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 option, third option. This is the right answer. Here also extends to 0 apply, 0 by 0 form. It is 0 by 0 form. By using L'Hospital rule. Shortcut methods. So x differentiation 1 minus tan x differentiation secant square x by x tan x. Here UV method. UV dash plus VU dash. X into tan x differentiation secant square x plus tan x into x derivative 1. Limit extends to 0. Here also again substitute 0. Sec 0, 1, cos 0, 1, reciprocal also 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Here direct 0, tan 0, 0, 0 by 0 form. It is also 0 by 0 form by using L'Hospital rule. 1 differentiation 0 minus secant square derivative 2 sec x multiply sec x differentiation sec x tan x. Division. Here x sec square x UV method. X multiply secant square is the 2 sec x tan x. Again x as it is secant square 2 sec x. Sec x differentiation sec x tan x. Otherwise you write like this. Secant square is the 2 sec x. Sec x is the sec x tan x. Plus secant square x into x derivative 1 plus tan x differentiation secant square x. We apply limit extends to 0 again. Here minus 2 sec 0 1 sec 0 1 tan 0 0 by here 0 into 2 into 1 into 1 into 0 plus this is 1. So here totally multiplication 0 into something. 0 by something also 0. 0 by something is equal to 0. First option is the right answer. Option 1.